Are you looking for a non-penetrating metal roof attachment solution for a T-shaped standing seam configuration? Look no further than the S-5-T and its mini counterpart. This clamp has an innovative two-piece design that allows it to be installed anywhere along the length of the panel seam. Certified by Imetco for snow retention and Florida product approvals for high velocity and hurricane zone, the S-5-T and Mini have the versatility and strength you can rely on. And installation is a cinch. Partially thread the included round point set screws into the clamp by hand. Hold the clamp insert piece under the edge of the seam at the desired location, then roll the clamp into position over the seam and the insert. Tighten the set screws at the base of the clamp using a calibrated screw gun and the included bit tip. On the 2 set screw S-5-T standard, tighten the set screws one at a time, then immediately retighten each one as the seam material compresses. This will ensure that the set screws properly dimple the seam material, forming a secure mechanical interlock that is non-penetrating. Now you're ready to attach ancillary items to the clamp using an M8 bolt.